Hello, welcome to Naik Family Vlogs. This is Dr. Raj Naik. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook the sweet corn cutlets. Sweet corn patties. So what I have done is that I have taken out the sweet corn from the knob and I have kept it here. I am going to grind it. Grind it just little bit dry so that it should not be totally mashed. I don't want it mashed. I want half mashed and half like that. So for that I am going to put that in a grinder jar. Going to grind it. So we have grinded the corn, the sweet corn. It looks like that. I have ground it coarsely, not very fine, because you can see that we have the corn intact. I have mashed potatoes here already. We use potatoes to bind the sweet corn, otherwise it will be falling apart. And I will be using some basic ingredients. I have some garlic, I have some onion, I will be using some cumin seeds, I will be using some garam masala and a little bit of chaat masala. Chaat masala is a kind of thing which gives a little bit sour taste, right? So I am not going to put much spices, but with a little spices I am going to cook, then keep it up. I will let it cool down, then we'll make the patties. I have warmed the skillet, some oil. You don't need a whole lot of oil. When the oil is hot, we'll put some cumin seeds, let it pop, then we'll put onion and garlic. We have put some cumin. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm going to add some onion. At this point, you can of course add a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of chili powder, not much, and a little bit of cumin powder. That's it. Make sure the onion and garlic are not burnt. So this seems like to be well done. To this I will be adding the mashed potato. When you add mashed potato, make sure it is mashed well. You can use a spatula to mash it. To this mixture I am going to add a little bit of salt to the taste. Make sure it is not too salty because corn is sweet. So I am just going to add a little bit of salt to the taste. I am going to add a little bit of chaat masala, which is a little bit in the sour taste. I am going to add some garam masala. Mixture, I am going to add the sweet corn, the coarsely grinded sweet corn. Now we have to mix the mixture very well. Make sure there is no water content because it will fall apart. potatoes are starchy, it tends to stick to the spatula, so that's the reason. Mix it well. If you think the mixture is quite watery or loose, you can add some corn flour. Corn flour also tends to bind it, but in my situation I am not going to add the corn flour. Mix it well. To this mixture I am going to add a little bit of tomato ketchup to bring the sweet taste. Again, make sure you mix it well so that mixing the sauce also, you can see that it is not loose, it is still intact. So make sure that keep low, just so that it won't stick to our hand. I'm going to take a big scoop of the mixture, gently roll it, make a patty, and I will roll it in the breadcrumbs and let it dry. Cutlets are ready and it needs deep fry now. So what we will do is that I have warmed some oil. We are not going to deep fry, we are just going to shallow fry it. So I am going to place one of the cutlets now. I am not going to put more than 5 because it takes some place to fry, shallow fry. Make sure the heat is not too high, don't let it get burnt. Just a little bit, it is getting brown. Just like I mentioned, it should not be burned. It is perfect brown, golden brown. And we'll take one more time and take it out now. But I am going to now put it back in the plate so that when all is left will be sold. We'll repeat the same thing with the next batch. Corn patties are ready and I am going to take it out. It's golden brown now. Done. You can serve this cutlet with the green chutney, the